Welcome back to Car Wow 787, your go-to spot for everything on wheels, where we bring you the latest, the best, and sometimes the unexpected from the world of heavy-duty trucks and machines. Whether you're an owner-operator, a fleet manager, or just someone who appreciates what keeps our roads moving, you're in the right place. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss an update. Now let's get into today's deep dive, the 2026 Kenworth T388. Kenworth has been a powerhouse in the commercial trucking industry for decades, known for building reliable, high-performing rigs that are both tough and driver-friendly. The T388 is no exception, and in 2026, it gets a series of updates that push this model further into the spotlight for anyone looking for a workhorse that doesn't compromise on technology, comfort, or power. Let's start with the core of what makes any semi-truck matter: performance. Under the hood, the 2026 T388 still sticks to a tried-and-true diesel engine setup. The base configuration comes with a PACCAR MX-13 engine, which continues to be a favorite in the industry for good reason. It delivers up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque, making it capable of handling long hauls, steep grades, and heavy loads without breaking a sweat. This engine's known for its fuel efficiency as well, and Kenworth has optimized the integration this year with new engine software mapping that works better with smart cruise and terrain monitoring features. One of the most impressive things about the MX-13 is how it blends strength with silence. It's surprisingly quiet in the cab for a diesel, something you'll really appreciate if you're spending long hours on the road. The engine brake system has also been fine-tuned for better performance on declines, especially when hauling over 80,000 pounds. Kenworth's proprietary integration with the Eaton Endurant HD transmission option keeps gear shifts smooth and helps maximize fuel economy, especially when paired with the new predictive cruise control that comes standard on the 2026 model. On the outside, the T388 stays true to its classic long-nose design, giving it that unmistakable Kenworth silhouette. But don't let the familiar lines fool you. There are updates here too. The new LED lighting package not only looks modern but also offers better visibility and lower energy consumption. The fairings and mirrors have been reshaped slightly to improve aerodynamics, shaving off a few percentage points in drag and helping with fuel efficiency over the long haul. The T388 is still very much a vocational truck at heart, which means it's built for versatility. Whether you're pulling a flatbed, tanker, or lowboy trailer, the chassis configuration options are almost endless. This year's update includes better routing options for air and electrical lines, making it easier to customize the truck to your exact spec. Inside the cab, this is where you'll notice some of the most appreciated changes.
Drivers spend thousands of hours behind the wheel, and Kenworth understands that comfort isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity.
The 2026 T388 now comes standard with a redesigned dash and digital driver display. The interface is fully customizable, allowing drivers to choose what they see. Whether it's detailed fuel metrics, tire pressures, or diagnostic info, it's intuitive, easy to read, and works seamlessly with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for navigation and entertainment.
The seats have also been upgraded. The new Air Ride seats come with multi-zone lumbar support, heated and ventilated options, and more adjustability than ever before. Whether you're 5'6" or 6'4", you'll find a position that feels just right. Storage in the cab has also seen an improvement, with better overhead compartments, more accessible cubbies, and reinforced door bins. And for those who opt for the sleeper cab, you're in for a treat. The 76-inch mid-roof sleeper available on the T388 now includes better sound insulation, integrated ambient lighting, and a more spacious design that feels less like a box and more like a mobile studio apartment. There's room for a microwave, a mini fridge, and even a wall-mounted TV if you want to add one in. You'll find power outlets in smart places and plenty of USB ports to keep your devices charged no matter how long you're out on the road. Carry us on the T388.com. Let's talk safety and tech for a second.
The 2026 T388 comes with a full suite of driver assist features, including lane departure warnings, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These aren't gimmicks, they're genuinely useful tools that reduce stress and fatigue, especially when you're navigating tight spaces or congested roads. The camera system in particular is a big win, replacing traditional blind spot mirrors with clearer, real-time views that show what's happening on all sides of the truck. One of the more subtle but important updates is the steering system. The 2026 T388 comes with Kenworth's latest variable assist power steering, which adapts based on speed and load conditions. What that means for the driver is lighter steering at slow speeds, say when you're backing into a dock, and firmer control at highway speeds. It's a small thing on paper, but in practice, it makes a big difference.
Fuel economy remains a major concern for anyone running a fleet, and Kenworth hasn't ignored that. With the improved aerodynamics, software enhancements, and integration with telematics systems, many operators are reporting anywhere from a 3 to 5% improvement in fuel efficiency over the 2025 model. That adds up fast when you're putting on hundreds of thousands of miles per year. In a scripted the simultaneity of making a long speeding on selling int and DJL Crentis of proving exportations of real stated. One thing a lot of drivers and fleet managers appreciate is how easy the T388 is to service. The 2026 version comes with better access panels, clearer diagnostic,
Remote diagnostic system, and easier to replace components in critical areas. Kenworth has worked hard to reduce downtime, and it shows. The wiring harnesses, coolant lines, and DEF system have all been redesigned to reduce failure points and make routine maintenance faster and more straightforward. Now let's talk about price and options. While prices will vary depending on your configuration, the base model day cab starts somewhere around $150,000, with sleeper versions going well over $180,000 once you add options like upgraded interior packages, advanced safety tech, or the heavier-duty axles and suspension setups. But you're getting more than a truck, you're getting a long-term asset. Kenworth trucks hold their value incredibly well, and the T388 is no exception. Resale values remain strong, especially when well-maintained, and the 2026 model year benefits from all the tech and comfort features that make it future-ready for years to come. To sum it up, the 2026 Kenworth T388 hits that sweet spot between classic American power and modern innovation. It's rugged enough for the dirtiest job sites, smart enough for long-distance freight work, and comfortable enough to make you forget you're at work sometimes. If you're in the market for a new rig or considering upgrading your fleet, this is one truck that definitely deserves a serious look. Thanks for riding along with us today. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps more than you know. Got questions about the T388? Or maybe you've driven one and want to share your thoughts? Drop a comment below. We read every one. And don't forget to subscribe for more truck reviews, walkthroughs, and everything diesel-powered. Until next time, keep it safe out there and keep on trucking. See you in the next one.